Hey, if you had just one day to make your house look like $1,000,000 without spending a dime, would you do it? Because today I'm going to give you the exact 24-hour home refresh plan to make your house photo ready and showing ready fast. And it's easier than you think. Let's go. Quick story. A few years ago, I had a listing that was just sitting there. 0 showings, no offers, crickets. The owners were panicking. They thought they had to throw in thousands into staging, painting, and landscaping. I said, stop, give me 24 hours. Follow my system, no cash out of pocket. Next day, we had 5 showings lined up, 2 offers on the table, same house, same furniture, different presentation. Presentation sells, folks. It's no different than business, sales, everything else. You show up right and you win. And today I'm handing you the same exact checklist. First thing, curb appeal. Is your first close before the buyers even open up the front door. They decide if they love it or hate it. Here's your 10-minute sweep. Sweep the driveway, hose down the front door and porch. Wipe the mailbox clean. Knock down any spider webs. Fluff up the plants and potted flowers you already own, or steal a few from the backyard. You don't need a landscaper. You need a broom, you need a hose, and 10 minutes of your hustle. Next, inside the house, declutter like you're moving tomorrow. Focus on 5 items per room. Shoes, coats, papers, personal photos, small countertop appliances. Rule, if it doesn't sell the lifestyle, hide it. Laundry baskets, bins, suitcases, whatever you got, use them. Tuck it all neatly in closets, garages, under beds. Out of sight equals out of mind equals sold faster. Third move, light it up. No one loves a dark, dingy listing. Nobody. Here's the hack. Swap out any yellow bulbs for clean, bright white ones. Pull back every curtain and blinds. Wash the windows, especially if you haven't since '07. Bonus hack. Take a phone flashlight, point it out at dark corners, and if it looks gloomy, light it up. Bright homes equals bigger, better photos, period. Now, ready for the biggest cheat code? Phone photo, posing. Forget the fancy photographer for now. You could do this today. Stand in a doorway for each room. Snap photos from the corners, not the middle. Shoot slightly downward to make each room feel larger. Make sure every photo has 2 light sources, minimum. Remember, the photo is the first showing. Make the buyers fall in love before they even step foot inside. Final move, the 12-minute next showing reset. Before every showing, fluff the pillows, wipe down the counters, empty the garbage cans, quick vacuum pass, light a subtle candle, nothing too crazy. This isn't about perfection. It's about energy, vibe, and momentum. You want buyers to feel clean, bright, and open. That's what gets you offers over asking. So, you got no excuses now. You want your houses sold? You want to show up big? Use my 24-hour home refresh checklist and watch what happens. Because remember, it's not just the house you're selling, it's the dream you're delivering. Now go make it happen.